Hello everyone. Today we will do this question in 3D. Click on this setting icon and select 3D modeling. Click on the corner of this cube. Now we can see the perspective view. Come to this modeling panel. Click here in drop down menu of box and select cone. Type D for enter and enter 75. Now enter its height. Our cone is ready. Now click on this gizmo. Take it near to its base. You can see its snapping option. Click on F8. Type 28. As it is 28 mm above the base. And here type 50 mm. Because I want a cylinder which is 100 mm in length. So 50 left and 50 right. Now click on this z-axis vector here in coordinates. Click it here and point this z-axis inward to this line. Now come to this modeling panel. Click drop down menu of this cone. Here you can select cylinder. Click it here and type D and then enter 45 and give it side 100 mm. Now go back to this coordinate panel. Click on this UCS world. Click on to top. Type union and select both the object and then enter. Here you can see this is the result of intersection of solid, which we just drafted in very simple way. Okay, we will need some other views also. So let's make it short. Okay, if you sometimes could not find your drawing, just type Z, enter and E, enter. Here you can see it. Now zoom it. Okay, make this drawing 1:1. That's good. Click on this model space. Now we are out of this drawing. Select this and copy it. Okay. Now we just need to change its view. Click on this arrow. Here you can see this arrow. That's good. Scale it one more time, 1:1. Lock this view. Come to this view. Click on this arrow of west view. Scale it 1:1. Now just print it. See its preview. So we don't want this boxes. So what we can do, select these boxes and put them in depth point layer. So this depth point layer is not printable. So just once again press Ctrl P and see its preview. So here you can see it will be seen like this.